Test your English skills. Prepositions. In this video, you will practice and test your knowledge of English prepositions. Good luck! For each item, choose the correct preposition to complete the statement or question. Ready to begin? Number 1. Please wait me at the bus stop. 2. For, about, no preposition. Please wait for me at the bus stop. 2. I'll see you next Tuesday. In, on, at, no preposition. I'll see you next Tuesday. No preposition. I'm sorry, I don't agree. You. With, to, for, no preposition. I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. 4. I talked my mom money. With, to, about, for, with, no prepositions. I talked to my mom about money. 5. Who lives the house, the corner? At, in, on, at, in, on, no prepositions. Who lives in the house on the corner? 6. Please give me a ride home. 2, for, with, at, no prepositions. No prepositions. Please give me a ride home. Number 7. Mr. Rich doesn't worry finances. On, for, about, no preposition. Mr. Rich doesn't worry about finances. 8. Jackie is scared cats. On, for, of, no preposition. Jackie is scared of cats. 9. I can't resist chocolate cake. Of, to, about, no preposition. I can't resist chocolate cake. No preposition. 10. Pat insisted paying for the meal. On, to, for, no preposition. Pat insisted on paying for the meal. Number 11. Are you ready? The exam. 2, for, about, no preposition. Are you ready for the exam? 12. Mark doesn't care his grades. 2, for, about, no preposition. Mark doesn't care about his grades. 13. When did you get back? Toronto. At, on, from, no preposition. When did you get back from Toronto? 14. Save me a place, the table. 4. On, to, nothing, nothing at, no prepositions. Save me a place at the table. 15. Give him a round, applause. 2. Nothing, nothing of, nothing for, no prepositions. Give him a round of applause. 16. Please send her my condolences. 2. Nothing. 4. Nothing. Nothing to, no prepositions. Please send her my condolences. No prepositions. 17. We wish you a happy anniversary. 4. To, on, no preposition. We wish you a happy anniversary. No preposition. 18. Troy was happy his new position. Of, to, with, no preposition. Troy was happy with his new position. 19. Sorry that there's no excuse my behavior. About, for, on, to, about, no prepositions. Sorry about that. There's no excuse for my behavior. Number 20. We're almost finished the task. For, about, with, no preposition. We're almost finished with the task. How many did you get right? 16 to 20, excellent. 11 to 15, quite good. 6 to 10, not so great. 0 to 5, you need a lot of work. Hope that was helpful. For more videos like these, check out our channels and websites. YouTube.com at English Free For You, ESLgold.com, EnglishVideo.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.